Are you looking for the best utility knife? In this video we will look at some of the best utility knife on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Internet's best premium utility knife. This set includes 2 utility knives and extra blades. This heavy-duty knife set features a durable design that is reinforced with a rubber grip. The metallic housing of the blade is long-lasting and holds well against wear and tear. What is more amazing about the overall design of the knife is that it is built for a typical workshop. It can sustain falls and other impacts without falling apart. The razor-sharp blade here is retractable and slides open to 3 different blade lengths. This functionality provides for fine cuts as well as accuracy when cutting open boxes. The blade locks safely in a metal frame. This in turn ensures that the blade is safely stored when not in use. The blade is ideal for cutting boxes, straps, and plastic packaging among other items. When you want to replace a blade after it becomes dull, you only need to extend the blade out and then press the red button to release the blade. You then insert the replacement blade while still pressing the red button down and release it once the blade is securely in the frame. The set comes with 5 replacement blades safely stored in a refill pouch. Pros: premium quality construction and design, easy to handle and use, retractable to different blade lengths for cutting convenience, heavy-duty blades for different cutting tasks, comfortable rubber grip. Cons: the handle may not be pleasant to people who prefer plastic grips. Number 2. Gerber Lite pocket knife. This thing is awesome. It is as long as my thumb and as wide as 2 fingers and the thickness of $.75". When the blade is closed it seems to cam shut, not just closed but feels magnetic. The body is made out of stainless steel and will probably be washed a couple of times because it is so lightweight and forgettable. When it locks out it feels very sturdy and is easy to get a good strong grip on the handle. I don't feel like it will fold in on me when I start cutting. It takes a small flathead screwdriver to swap blades. The rear portion of the blade is held in place by a piece of metal that also serves as an index point to let you know when your fingers are approaching the business end. I can get a tight 3-finger grip on the handle but could wrap 4 fingers around the handle with no problem and still know where my fingers are in relation to the blade. The pocket clip, money clip, is hefty and gives you the comfort of knowing your knife won't fly out of your pocket no matter how many handstands you do when you take your Instagram pictures on the edge of a cliff. Man, how bad would it suck to drop your knife off a cliff when doing a selfie handstand? The clip end of the knife can be used as a flathead screwdriver unless the screw is countersunk a whole lot. It doesn't seem to be made to do this, but there are enough places on this thing to unscrew something without having to use the blade. Overall, this is a solid little knife. Number 3. RoverTac pocket knife folding knife. This is a highly sophisticated tool that offers many unique features for your daily usage. It is a great product that can be taken along while going hiking, mountain climbing, fishing, camping and so on. You can never know when one would need it. It comes in handy when one needs to cut something. It is a multi-purpose pocket knife that can be used as a screwdriver, plier, box opener, bottle opener and so on. This pocket knife features a 9" -1 screwdriver bit set for its constant use. Talking about its composition, it is made of stainless steel which contributes to its strength and durability. A general purpose features several features which include can opener, bottle opener, wire cutter, pliers and screwdriver. This is a well-designed product, organized, compact and convenient to use. It even features a pouch that ensures easy portability. All you have to do is strap it to your belt hole and then you are good to go. It is a lightweight product weighing about 8 ounces. Lastly, this pocket knife multi-tool features a security measure to ensure safety at all times when in use. This safeguard design ensures that the blade doesn't close up on your fingers. What we like about it: it is user-friendly, heavy-duty, it is portable with a pouch, safe to use. It is durable. What we don't like about it: a customer complained about its jiggling blades. Number 4. WORKPRO folding utility knife. If you are shopping for a compact utility knife set, This WORKPRO folding set is the ultimate choice for you. The set contains 3 multicolored utility knives. The different colors of these knives are green, red, and blue. This 3-piece knife set also comes with an additional 10 blades for replacement. Like other high-end knives in the market, this one features a quick change mechanism for the blade. The mechanism not only guarantees that you spend a few seconds when changing the blades but also that the entire process is safe. The knives in this set are compatible with standard utility blades, thereby making it easy to attach a blade of your preference. If you are the kind of person who loves knives with stable, firm, and secure grips, this knife set is the best choice for you. This is because the knife set comes with lightweight aluminium handles with a secure and firm grip. As such, the blade cannot slip from the hands even when applying intense pressure and effort. The knives are perfect for use in general purpose cutting, including cutting boxes, carpets, ropes, leather, and plastic, among other materials. Pros: compatible with standard utility blades, ideal for general cutting purposes around the house, easy blade installation with the quick change mechanism, comfortable lightweight handle, stainless steel construction for strength and durability. Cons: the blades have a gritty feeling when opening and closing. Number 5. FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife. This is an incredible pocket utility with an elegant appearance. It is a sophisticated utility that comes with a lot of features. Starting from its design, it features an anodized aluminium design that accounts for its durability and strength. Also, one of the things that intrigued us about this knife is its anti-slip grip. This ensures that the knife doesn't drop from your hand. This is one of the safety measures it offers. Talking the main part of the knife, which is the blade, FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife offers carbon steel blades which doesn't go blunt easily. It stays as sharp as possible for a fairly long time. Also, this pocket utility knife is well organized in the sense that it features a button that allows you to easily and conveniently fold your knife into your pocket. When in use, you don't have to worry about whether the blade would slip back or not because of its lockback design. This ensures that the blades are well fixed and securely fit its place while in use. You can easily change the blade to another one. It features about 5 sharp blades for easy replacement. What we like about it: lightweight and portable, safe to use, convenient, well organized, durable with a high-quality aluminium design. What we don't like: the plastic blade lock button breaks easily. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.